There's some very cold science going on in New Hampshire. An NSF-funded team of scientists has captured one of nature's most destructive forces, ice. Large ice storms are expected to become more frequent in the northeastern U.S. They disrupt lives and damage infrastructure in towns and cities in northern New England, resulting in billions of dollars of damage. Ice also reshapes the forests with toppled branches and reduced tree growth, and changes habitat for wildlife. The team says science is critical to understanding the extent of these changes and their short and long-term effects on northern forests. The unpredictable nature of ice storms makes studying them a real challenge. So instead of waiting for the next big storm to hit, the team created their own suite of experimental ice storms in 8 large plots on the USDA's Hubbard Brook Experimental Forest, a National Science Foundation long-term ecological research site. After a year of preparation, all the team needed was to wait for several consecutive days of cold temperatures in the single digits and enough snow to maneuver the utility vehicles. The team finally caught a break in late January. Using firefighting equipment, generators, and low-pressure pumps, the team directed nearby stream water through 1.5-inch hoses to a second set of high-pressure pumps mounted on utility vehicles. These pumps then pushed the cold water 100 feet into the air, falling back over the forest as a fine mist, freezing on contact. The team iced 8 plots, each the size of a basketball court. The scientists then went to work using wooden ornaments with arms to measure the ice accumulation, hoping for the right amount of ice on each plot needed to create the suite of perfect storms. Having successfully created this ice lab, the team now begins observing and gathering data about the kinds of changes these extreme weather events cause to forests and wildlife. The team hopes this research provides the scientific community, land managers, and the public with greater insight as to the impacts of these powerful winter storms on the ecosystems in the northern hardwood forests. This project is led by Syracuse University, the Cary Institute of Ecosystem Studies, Cornell University, the University of Vermont, the University of Southern Maine, and the Hubbard Brook Research Foundation.